Once upon a time in a mountain village, there lived a restless young man named Marco, whose mind was a constant storm. All day long, stressful thoughts came and went, leaving him exhausted, trapped by the past, and terrified of the future. Then, Marco heard whispers of a wise old psychologist living deep in the hills, a man who knew how to heal a restless soul. Desperate for peace, Marco set off on a long, grueling journey across the mountains to find him. Deep in the hills, he discovered a small house covered in lush greenery, where the old wise man sat in perfect stillness.
Grandfather, my mind will not stop running. Please, give me peace.
The old man smiled and gave him a task. He filled a glass of water completely to the very top. Walk to the edge of the village and back, the old man instructed. But if you spill even a single drop, you fail. Marco accepted the challenge. He stepped out onto the village road, which was chaotic, crowded, and loud. But Marco saw none of it. His eyes were locked entirely on the glass, taking slow, deliberate steps.
He returned to the porch triumphantly. Grandfather, I did it! Not a single drop was spilled.
Wonderful. But tell me, did you see the children playing? Did you hear the dogs barking?
No, I didn't notice anything. I was only focusing on the glass. That is the secret.
When your mind stays entirely in the present moment, there is no space for fear, no regret, and no confusion. Peace is already inside you. Keep your mind in this very moment. If you loved this journey, like, share, and subscribe to the Mind's Atelier for more.